Welcome to another episode of One Liam Unboxing
Boxingness.
So for today, we're gonna unbox something that we bought in Lazada in 66. Tama ba? 66 ba lang?
66.
Oh. So, tinan muna natin kung ano siya. So, let's see what it is. Oh! It has a nice box. So, itong shoes na to is para kay Kuya Eljo.
Who's that?
So, what do you think it is?
Well, is that a dream shoe? Is it a dream shoe?
So, it's Way of Wade 11. They call it Way of Wade 11 announcement. So, let's see. The box pa lang, you see. Ang ganda ng quality. You will see here the Wade of Wade logo. Tapos, here you would see here the sign of Dwayne Wade. And also here you would see, it says here, Way of Wade 11. So, yun. Ooh! Grabe! So, when you see pa lang, the unboxing, nakalagay pala siya sa shoe bag. Okay, let's ganda ha. Did not expect that na nakalagay siya sa shoe bag. So, the shoe bag is kulay, it says here Way of Wade. Sa kabila naman is the Way of Wade logo. And then, individually, nakalagay, naka-wrap siya ng paper. Okay, what's this? Oh! And so, sa mga subscribers namin, sa mga nanonood sa amin, so you've seen that we've been doing unboxing. So this is the first time that you would see us like unboxing a men's size na shoe. So this is a 9.5. Wow, it's really beautiful. Okay, so they call this model Way of Wade 11 announcement. So why is it announcement? Sabi nila this is the colorway nung unang nilabas yung Way of Wade ng Li-Ning. Okay, so and then after 11 iterations, Way of Wade has been a very successful shoe line for Li-Ning na parang Jordan na siya, na may sarili siyang website that you buy it in its own website. Wow, so ganda. So you would see here may tag siya. Okay? So sa uppers pa lang kung makita nyo, okay? So I don't see na parang in this part of it's like parang leatherette. I see na itong uppers niya. And I would say that yung breathability nito is more on sa tongue lang kasi may kita niya may mga holes siya. So it's very important when you're playing basketball na the heat comes out pagka naglalaro ka. Okay, so syempre when you're playing, especially in this hot climate sa Philippines, yun importante na lalabas yung init ng sa paa mo. Okay, yung moisture would not stick in. Okay, kasi mapapawisan yung paa mo. Okay, and then what I notice here is, what I first notice here is this one. Okay, if you would see the traction nung parang sole niya, you would see it's parang lumalampas siya sa side. So, ano ibig sabihin nun? So, when you do certain movements sa basketball na yung mga side-to-side movements, yan, yung mga paganyan-ganyan, di ba? Ayan. You would see na meron pa rin traction yung sapatos nyo. Remember the move of Dylan Harper nung parang nag-drive siya sa kaliwa, tapos pag-drive niya sa kaliwa, nag-stop siya sa kanan. So, gumanyan siya nun gumanyan siya. Parang gumanyan siya. So, tapos bigla siya nag-turn around tapos fade away. I think this is a good shoe for that. Especially kung meron tong gantong side na to. Usually, when you're buying shoes, you have to look at yung gaano kalaki yung side na to. It means that it provides stability for you in certain movements, especially on lateral movements. So, pagka nakita nyo to, yan, medyo makapal siya. Malayo siya from the shoe itself, 'di ba? Meron siyang parang mas may extra siya rito. So it gives you more stability on lateral movement. So maganda to. Haven't tried it yet, pero I think the design itself pagka na-consider nila. And also what they say here is that like the logo is like representing Dwayne Wade's career. So it says here, be confident, be bold, believe in yourself, be yourself, don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to evolve. Be strong, do more. Do it with love. Do it with passion. Do it with care. Wade 11. Ang ganda ng pagkasabi, no? So, I think it's a very good shoe. Also, if you see reviews in the internet, then they cut it in half. You would see there is like a carbon plate here. Tapos yung carbon plate niya, hindi siya isang buong carbon plate wherein yung carbon plate niya is nandito sa middle. Tapos may carbon plate siya dito sa forefront or dito sa forefoot mo. Tapos dito siya sa heel, meron siyang konting carbon plate yan. So, I think this one yung mahaba rito na carbon plate niya provides stability. Kung meron kayo ng mga Adidas shoes noon, sinasabi nila yung torsion. So, tingnan natin. Ayan, medyo maano nga siya, matigas siya pagka ginaganon mo siya, parang iti-twist mo siya. I think it's provide more stability in the shoe, especially pagka syempre yung mga tapilok, 'di ba? Babalik ka niya kaagad. Yun yung parang technology ng torsion system. I think it has a full dito sa gitna na to, it has full carbon plate. Also, it uses the boom foam. I think kung boom foam in terms of Nike, maybe it's more of the React foam. Okay? It's not the premium foam kasi yung premium yata nila is a super boom. Okay? Pero yung maybe before yung years na nilabas yung Way of Fade 11, yung pinaka-premium nila is yung boom foam. Okay? So I think it's a good foam. If you would also see the bounce test of this foam, talaga it would have a great reaction on the bounce test, like 48 yata on the forefoot and like 47 here in the heel. So it's really a good shoe. It's well designed. Tapos if you would also notice, siguro I would provide little videos about overlay videos on the sole. Ang ganda na. They call it Afro Tech or Afro inspired sole. So you would see here that the right part of the shoe or the left part of the shoe is a face, like an African American face. Tapos a lot of symbolisms, may tao. Okay, and also here is may tao. It's like also a face pero parang it's graffiti. Also when you try to, they say yung sole nito is ground control unit. It's better than traditional rubber wherein it doesn't sacrifice yung nipes pero pa rin siya makapit. Okay, so this is the Way of Wade 11. Hopefully Kuya Eljo would like this to play in basketball and also in volleyball. So hope you like our video. This is the Way of Wade 11. Hanggang sa susunod. Paalam.
What do you say? This whole town could be red.